Today we're taking a deep dive into a chair that's been making serious noise in the ergonomic furniture world. This is the COFO Chair Premium 2, a product that COFO themselves proudly describe as Japan's best ergonomic chair, but better. COFO is a Japanese brand founded in 2016 in Chiba, Japan. From the very beginning, they set out to design their products that blend comfort and productivity to help people create personal spaces that are not only functional, but also inspiring. In less than a decade, they've grown rapidly, shipping over 100,000 units of their chair series and raising more than 400 million yen through crowdfunding. They've earned the trust of over 1,800 corporate clients in Japan, which is a strong indicator of their reliability of their products. The chair that built its reputation was the COFO Chair Premium 1. That was the model that was widely tested, adopted and embraced by thousands of users and companies in Japan. The Premium 2 is the refined successor to that success, building on everything COFO learned from Premium 1 and improving it with smarter features, better adjustments and new refinements. Perhaps the most impressive part of COFO's story is their dominance in Japan's crowdfunding market. In 2025, the COFO Chair Premium series raised an astonishing 208 million yen, officially making it the best-selling chair in Japanese crowdfunding history. To put this into perspective, competitors such as FlexiSpot raised around 21 million yen and Sihu raised just over 2 million yen during the same period. COFO completely outclassed them. They were even officially recognized by Makwake, Japan's most prestigious crowdfunding site, for breaking the all-time sales record for a chair. This means that, in terms of crowdfunding, no chair has ever sold more in Japan than a COFO. When the COFO Chair Premium 2 arrived at my doorstep, the first thing I noticed was the weight of the box. Now, I didn't get any footage of the box itself, but it was heavy, which already gave me confidence that it was built with serious materials and not just flimsy parts. Opening the box, the first items you see are the product information leaflets and a thoughtful inclusion, a pair of COFO branded gloves along with neatly packaged tools. This small touch sets the tone. It makes the unboxing feel premium, almost like opening a high-end electronic device rather than just another piece of furniture. As I went deeper into the packaging, I found the footrest, the base of the chair, the two armrests, the adjustable backrest, the main seat, the headrest accessory, the headrest itself, and finally the chair stem and wheels. Every single piece had a premium weight to it and the finishing on the materials looked flawless. Now, according to the instruction manual, assembly is recommended with 2 people. That's because the parts are solid and heavy. I decided to go against that recommendation and build it myself. And honestly, it was surprisingly easy. From start to finish, I was able to assemble the chair without frustration. For anyone who struggled with cheap flat pack furniture in the past, this experience feels refreshingly smooth and confidence inspiring. Once assembled, the COFO Chair Premium 2 immediately impresses with its design. It's modern yet understated. The kind of chair that can look professional in an office while still stylish in a gaming setup. The frame and the base are made from ADC12 aluminium alloy, a material known for its strength and durability. The mesh fabric is a premium custom weave that is both soft to the touch and highly breathable. Unlike many chairs that make you sweat after long sessions, this mesh promotes airflow, making it ideal for people who work or game for hours on end. COFO offers the chair in 4 colours: black, grey, white, and a limited all-black edition, which I'm kind of jealous I didn't get. At nearly 30 grams, the chair is not light, but that's exactly the point. The weight reassures you that COFO did not cut corners. This is not hollow plastic pretending to be premium. It's a chair built with high-grade metals, quality plastics, and carefully engineered moving parts. Even the casters are an upgrade. While the Premium 1 used standard polyurethane casters, Premium 2 has been refined with inline skate-style wheels. This is not just about the material, but the shape and design itself, giving a smoother roll and even higher level of ease of movement. Everything about the design and construction screams premium Japanese craftsmanship. Now let's go into detail about the features that make this chair ergonomic and adaptable. This is where the COFO Chair Premium 2 sets itself apart. The headrest itself is fully adjustable in 3 directions. You can move it up and down by up to 4 centimeters, tilt it at multiple angles, and even slide it forward or backward to get it exactly where you want it. Considering the head accounts for roughly 10% of body weight, having a headrest that adapts to you makes a noticeable difference. The backrest is adjustable across 4 height levels and includes COFO's dynamic elastic lumbar support system. This lumbar system automatically adapts to how you lean. When you sit back to relax, it supports your spine while allowing natural movement. And when you lean forward to focus on work, the lumbar support shifts with you to maintain engagement without strain. The recline function allows the backrest to move smoothly up to 125 degrees, giving you the option to sit upright, lean back slightly, or even recline deeply for relaxation. Most importantly, you can lock the recline at any angle within this range, giving you freedom to find the exact position that works best for you, rather than just being restricted to a few preset stops. The recline tension can also be adjusted by turning the knob up to 40 times, letting you customize your resistance to match your body type and preference. Combined with the extendable footrest, you can quite literally turn this chair into a nap station. The seat depth can slide forward or backward up to 6 centimeters. This is important for properly supporting your thighs and avoiding circulation issues. And the armrests are truly a standout feature. They're fully adjustable in 6 different directions: height, forward and backward, side to side, tilt vertically, tilt horizontally, and full 360-degree rotation. Whether you're typing, gaming with a controller, or simply leaning back with a book, you can always position the armrests exactly where you need them. Finally, there are the thoughtful touches like the integrated hanger and the hook on the back, which can hold your jacket, blanket, or even a bag. It seems minor, but it keeps your workspace tidy and organized. So how does this all come together in daily use? In short, exceptionally well. The mesh fabric is supportive yet soft, and most importantly, it stays cool. I noticed that even after long editing sessions, I never felt overheated, which is something I can't say for padded leather chairs. The dynamic lumbar support truly works. Unlike chairs where the lumbar cushion feels rigid or misplaced, this one adapts as I move. I found myself shifting positions throughout the day, but I never once felt the nagging lower back pain that comes from poor support. The headrests and armrests also stand out in daily use. The headrests made long gaming and moving sessions more comfortable, while the armrests could be adjusted instantly depending on whether I was typing, gaming, or just relaxing. And that footrest, it's more useful than you might think. Pull it out, recline, and suddenly your office chair feels like a lounge chair. It's perfect for quick breaks or even short naps. Now let's talk about value. High-end chairs like the Herman Miller Embody or the Steelcase Gesture are often the benchmarks in this space, but they cost well over $1,000. The COFO Chair Premium 2 offers a similar level of build quality, adjustability, and ergonomic support, but at a significantly lower price point, especially during its crowdfunding launch. What sets COFO apart from many of its competitors is the combination of Japanese design credibility, crowdfunding success, and real consumer trust. This is not just a generic chair with a flashy marketing page. This is a chair that's been tested, refined, and already adopted by thousands of users in its earlier version, and now further improved in this new model. After spending time with the COFO Chair Premium 2, I can confidently say it delivers on its promise. It's not just another office chair. It's a carefully engineered ergonomic solution that blends premium materials, extensive adjustability, and thoughtful touches that make daily use genuinely better. The build quality feels exceptional, the comfort is real, and the adjustability ensures it can work for almost anyone. Add that to COFO's track record as the best-selling ergonomic chair brand in Japan, and you have a product that can stand shoulder to shoulder with the biggest names in the industry. If you spend long hours at your desk, whether for work, gaming, or creative projects, the COFO Chair Premium 2 is more than just a purchase. It's an investment in your health, comfort, and productivity. For me, it's a combination of the smooth assembly process, the premium weight of the components, and the sheer range of customization options seal the deal. The COFO Chair Premium 2 truly lives up to its bold tagline: Japan's best chair, but better. I've been Adam, and I hope you liked this video on Tech Utopia. If you did, please leave a like and comment your thoughts on the chair. Without further ado, I'll see you in the next video.